Hi, hello everybody. I'm Madhusudhan Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, IARE, Hyderabad. We are discussing with Python programming language. In this course, outcomes is the course should enable the students to acquire programming skills in core Python and understand the basic concepts of Python programming language. Okay. We learn about what is Python. Python is a high level and interpreted language which has easy syntax and dynamic semantics. Python is much easier than other programming language and helps you create beautiful applications with less effort and much more ease. Python supports multiple programming patterns, including object oriented, imperative, and functional or procedural programming styles. So in this Python features are in this language simple. It is simple. Python is simple to learn, easy to learn. It is freeware uh, in websites, and it is open source, high level language, dynamically typed, platform independent, and portable, and procedure and object oriented also. These are all the features of the Python programming language. Why Python? It is high level. Actually, it is high level language. Python derives components from the natural language that we humans use to communicate with each other. That's why it is a simple language to learn. This makes it easier from anyone to try and relate what exactly could be happening without the burden of going through tons of machine code. Actually, Python it is automatically line by line compilation is there. That's why it is interpreted. Python is interpreted language. Python codes are compiled line by line, which makes debugging errors much easier and efficient. But this comes at a cost of, as it is much slower than other programming languages. That's why. Uh, that's why Python is one to us. Easy syntax. Actually, Python using easy syntax methods. Python makes use of indentations. That's why it is easy syntax. Instead of braces to distinguish what blocks of code come under which class or function. This makes the code look well and distributed and makes it easy for anyone to read it. Anyone to read it. It is dynamic semantics. If you are an old school coder, you would know that before using anything, you would need to initialize it. It does all of dynamically. So uh, Python is very uh, going language. So let us working with Python. Working with Python. We saw the first. We saw the installation steps in previous. So now we see the iterative mode and um, you- step two interactive mode. Open ideally. If you want to run Python instantly, then try Python function calls on interactive mode. So I will show the window like this. We'll show the go to Windows and ideally if you install the uh, Python ideally program, search ideally and enter. This is the ideally shell. Uh, we see this window. This is ideally shell actually. So we learn in this interactive mode and script mode also. Working with interactive mode, as we enter a command and press enter, the very next step we get the output. We enter the command and press enter, we get the output in one line only. The output of the code in the interactive mode is influenced by the last command we give. Uh, it also executes a single line statement also. This mode is very suitable for beginners in programming as it helps them evaluate their code line by line and understand the execution of code well. I will show the uh, some we want calculations 2 plus 3. It is one line code actually. Oh, what we get the output is, we know, 5. So we press enter. When we press enter, it will comes line by line execution. That's why Python is dynamic. And 2 multiplication, 2 into 3 is 6, and 2 fraction of 5 modulo. So we get the 0. So it is a line by line execution program actually. We give the next step is the code. The output of the code, in the interactive mode is influenced by the command we give, and it also executes a single line statement. It mode very suitable for beginners. So we give the command before, that is also used in this. A, that is a equals to 4, and b equals to 5. Sorry, a equals to 4, b equals to 5. Print of a, his answer is a equals to 4. That's simple language, or line by line execution. Print, if you want to print the value of b, it is 5. This is another method to line by line execution. Script mode is very suitable for writing long pieces of code or multiple lines statements. It is much preferred over interactive mode by experts in the program. Script mode uses the experts. For beginners, interactive mode is suitable. For experts, script mode is suitable. So the file made in the script mode is by default saved in the Python installation folder. It is defaultly saved in the Python installation folder, and extension to save a Python file is .py. So for Word document, .doc is there. For Excel files, using .xls, and Python program files, extension is .py. It is saved by .py sections. So this is the interactive mode and the script mode. So we see the script mode once. Open IDE shell and go to file, new file. This is the script mode actually. This is script mode. In the script mode, we want to lengthy multiple lines code. We will give to multiple lines code. A equals to 4, b equals to 5. Print a plus b. So we save the file after inputs given. Save the file. Like this is addition. Okay, addition. Okay, it is saved in Python 3.0 folder. It is saved in Python 3.0. So I change the folder desktop. I saved in desktop. So save. So for execution, we want to run module or press F5. So answer is 9. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. And another line, we want to add it. Simply add it. B minus A, or print A into B. Number of lines we want to input. So we want to write the multiple lines if you want. After that, to run the module, save and run. First we give addition, 4 plus 5, that is 9, and b minus a, 5 minus 4, that is 1. Print a into b, 4 into 5, 4 5 is 20. This is the output like this. We want to add some string, addition of a plus b. B minus A. Multiplication of A into B. A into B. This is the result. Save the file. First, want to save the file. Run the module. So addition of A plus B. Okay, it is 9. Subtraction of B minus A, that is 1. Multiplication of A to B, that is 20. Want to clearly. Yes. Run the module. Save. So this is a script mode. So next, how it is print the statement, how to print with examples. In this session, we will learn how to print a simple string in Python, how to print blank lines, and print end command also, and we will see separated command also. First we will see Python print function. The print function is used to print a specified message on the screen. The print command in Python prints strings or objects which are converted to a string while printing on a screen. Syntax is print of objects. Print of objects. Print of A plus B, or print A, or print A minus B, like this. These are all objects. Object are objects. A comma B comma C. Objects. One object, multiple objects can give. So, how to print a simple string in Python? More often than not, you require to print strings in your code. Construct here how to print statement in Python 3. Example 1, to print the welcome to IARE, use the Python print. If you want to print welcome to IARE, use print statement as follows, like this: print welcome to IARE. Now, when we give the input like this, we will get the output like this: welcome to IARE. So, but in Python, this is format in Python version 3.0 plus and above. Above versions are like this, parenthesis, using parenthesis. But in Python 2, not parenthesis is there, but it executes a code. Print welcome to IARE. So compulsory string, if you want to enter and print the string, it is in single quotes or double quotes. Use the single quotes or double quotes. It is must for printing string. After this, you can save and the file and run the welcome to IARE. So example 2, if you want to print the name of 5 countries, you can write like this code: print USA. Use double quotes or single quotes, no problem. Use single quotes also working. Print Canada, Germany, France, Japan. You want to print line by line code, you write the code like this and step by step. So once we print the print, I use single quotes. Yes, yeah. It is a multiple code command. Canada, print Germany, print France, print Japan. So after the write the code, you want to save and run the module. The output is USA, Canada, Germany, France, Japan, like this. This is the multiple line code. So how to print blank lines? How to write blank lines in print command? Sometimes you need to print a one blank line in your Python program. Following is an example to perform this task using Python print format. Example, let us print 8 blank lines. You can type. You can two types. We are give the blank lines. Print 8 into single column or double column, single quote or double quotes. It is save after code. Save. It is 8 blank lines actually. Blank lines. These are all blank lines. How many blank lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blank lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blank lines are there. So we print also like this. Print in individual 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can give individual like this after the writing the program. Sorry, not here. Can write here. Print 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, close the parenthesis and save the file and run the program. This is also gives the same output. Actually, this is also give the same output. So here is the code. How can we observe like this? Print welcome to IARE. Using first method, 8 into and print don't forget to write in single colon or double colon for string. Okay, after the code you can save the code and run the program. So uh, actually what is the code is welcome to IARE. After 8 lines again print the welcome to IARE. So this is the output, welcome to IARE. After that 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 spaces, 8 blank lines actually. After that again we print welcome to IARE. So this is the best example. Print end command. By default, print function in Python ends with a new line. This function comes with a parameter called end. The default value of this parameter is new line, that is the new line character. You can end a print statement with any character or string using this parameter. This is available in only in Python 3 plus. It is available in 3 plus only end command. So example, print welcome to comma end. Welcome here, welcome to, we want to write welcome to and end with a space, end with a space. Okay, and print IARE welcome to space IARE and end with the acceleration mark. This is the output for this code. We try the end command code by writing program print welcome to comma and this is a syntax and syntax space and single colon. This is the syntax and print. We give the objects also IARE comma end with acceleration mark, end with acceleration. You need at the rate or dollar or any symbol you want to give. And after the code writing you can save and run the program. Welcome to IARE. Actually code is this. Code is welcome to comma end space and with space and space after space IARE print and with this symbol. And with I change the symbol and save the code and run the program. This is the output. Okay, understand? Right. We will print the separate command when we must separate with comma, space, or any other symbols like at the rate, acceleration mark, and dollar, and so on. Separation command is string insert between values. String inserted between values. Default space. Default is there. So some example is there. We will see the example for separate a comma b comma c is equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. We will assign the values for a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to 30. Once check in ideally a comma B comma C is equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30. This is the values we are given. Okay. After that, print without separation. Once we print and check the values. Print and check the values. After code writing, save and run the module. 10, 20, 30. This is the code. This is the output. This is the output. If you separation is separate with print A comma B comma C comma separate with at the red symbol and check, save and run. It is space is actually inserted between values, string inserted between values, default space. Understand? It is defaultly comes with space. The space filled by separation at the red symbol. If you change the symbol, acceleration mark, and save the file and run the module, it is the output. Okay, this is the separation command output. So I use the references, books and sites. Latest Python 4th edition, Yashwant Kanetkar, latest Python, Aditya Kanetkar. It is released on January 2019. And Python programming by the author of Rima Tereja. And I will follow the guru99.com and w3schools.com. This is the thank you. This is Madhusudhan Rao.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.